Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to private your Facebook account. When you want to private your Facebook account, I will show you step by step. So first, when you launch your Facebook like that or like this, you see top right hand side corner top, you see there's a profile where your profile is. You click on it. When you click on it, here you see settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you go to settings. You click on settings. So under settings, you see privacy check up. You click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you here. So first, you go to who can see what you share. You click on it. When you click on it, you go to continue. Here, you see here I've made it private. You see here it's supposed to be on public, so you make it only me. Here, your date of birth, you can make it on private so that people can see. You make it only me. Here, who can see your friend list? You can say on your profile, make it only me. To make your Facebook private, here, who can see people on page on the list you follow. Here, you click only me. You come back, you go to next. Here, default audience, you click. You can see friends, or here you can choose either friends or only me. You go back. Here, stories. Here, you choose friends. You can choose friends. So here is okay. Or hide story. Good. So here you can choose friends. You go back. And here you click limited. It's saving. Yes, it is saving. So it has finished saving. You go to next. Here, add blacklist. Don't touch anything. You go to next. You go to review. Here, after you are finished with the first one, you go to how people can see you on Facebook, how people can find you on Facebook. So you click on it and you click continue. Here you choose friends, continue or next. Here, the edit side, you choose no one. Here, no one. Next, you disable this so that no one can search you for a search engine. Next, click on review. Yes. So after you have done all this thing, you go back here. So you go back to audience, and let me show you audience and visibility. You will see audience and visibility. You will see followers and public content. Followers and public content. You click on it. Here, who can follow me? Make it friends, not public. Here, the second, who can follow, who can see your followers on your timeline? Only me. The next one, make it friends. The next one, okay, friends. The next one, only me. The next one, friends. Here, off, you off this one. Yes, you go back. Go back to your menu. So this is how you can private your Facebook account. Thank you. Can you subscribe to the channel?